Today we're going to finish removing all the nasty interior out of the ECTO-1 and getting the engine bay ready for the new engine. Let's get into it.
What the dog doing?
Kick his ass, Seabass!
What the dog doing?
Kick his ass, Seabass!
They hate everything. I hate everything. It's horrible. This gotta be the worst thing I've ever seen ever. I hate it. I hate everything. Ah, kill me.
ass, Seabass!
Guys, take a look at all this. This all came out of the back. I mean, that's got to be what, 4 square feet, 5 square feet of solid shit. Look at this floor, man. It's exactly as good as any other millimeter floor I've ever seen. Well, it's good back. Oh, whoa. Didn't mean to kick that. Get back there. Get back there. Okay, I didn't mean to kick that. I'm sorry, car. It's as good in the front, but in the front, it's not as good as it is in the back. As you can see, we got some Bluetooth floor where actually I got some pretty good view of the rear drive shaft, the U-joint actually, which I still need to bolt back in. I'll have to do that today or tomorrow or something, whenever. I'll do it before I drive it, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty bad. All this was full of mouse nest. Surprisingly, they didn't eat that wire. I'm sure that goes to some kind of rear lighting. But they didn't eat that, thankfully. All they did was ruin my beautiful floor. So I'm gonna need this just as badly as I need that. So what's next? Next is, well, I gotta take that off. I gotta take this off. And I gotta get all this out on this side so it looks like that. Then I need to spray that foam and foil all on this and whatever's rotting down there. And then we'll move to the engine bay, getting it all cleaned up. And actually, I think that'll be all.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
What we're looking at, boys. I've got those soaking because those are less rusted than that side, so I'm actually gonna have to unscrew this one instead of just ripping it off. Not bad over here. I mean, it's obviously gonna need to be replaced, but it's not as bad or as much damage as that side yet. Back here, still pretty bad. It's clean, but it's still pretty bad. So I'll let that soak for a little bit. I'll take a break, and then let's get to ripping that shag out.
Damn, it's cold this morning, boy. What is it, like 25? What the fuck?
at this. The interior, all the shag, completely, finally out. I mean, obviously, little pieces. Shut up. Who cares? Most of it is completely out, and I couldn't be more ecstatic.
Damn, it's cold this morning, boy. What is it, about 25? What the fuck?
Okay, time to call it a day. So here's where we're at the end of this wonderful work day. Engine bay is very clean. The rest of the car got dirtier because all of that went over there, but that's besides the point. Seat is temporarily kind of bolted in, so yeah. I figure a self-tapper ought to do it, one on each side. That'll be for real, it'll hold up for a little while. I need to get the rails leveled because they're not even at the same position. It's kind of cockeyed quite a bit, but it's in there and I can actually sit in it without it falling back. The engine or the interior is fully sealed up as far as I know. I don't believe I left anything open or exposed. Oh, hey, well, speak of the devil. That ought to hold them. That'll stop anything. I'm just currently I've got to get rid of all this stuff in the car. Next time, whoa, that's gonna suck. Yeah, next time I come out here, let's see. Hopefully next time I come out here we'll be getting the transmission off of the old engine onto the new engine and then into the car. Let's hope. Well, guys.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.